Ruby Stella Daylily is a perennial flower that is known for its vibrant red blooms with yellow throats. It's a reblooming daylily, so you can enjoy its flowers throughout the summer and into early fall. It's a sister to the popular Stella D'Oro daylily, but with red blooms instead of yellow. The bloom color is ruby red with a yellow throat, and it is a rebloomer. It blooms from early summer into fall with the height of 16 to 20 inches, and you can spread about 12 to 15 inches, and it likes to have full sun at least 6 hours a day. Average well-drained soil, prefers a fertile loam with lots of organic material. It's hardy in zones 3 to 9. It's great for borders, it's great for edging, it's great for containers, and it's great for mass plantings. Plant Ruby Stella Daylily in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Amend the soil with a compost of manure before planting to improve drainage and fertility. Water Ruby Stella Daylily regularly, especially during the first year after planting. Fertilize Ruby Stella Daylily in the spring with a balanced fertilizer, and deadhead the spent blooms to encourage reblooming. Divide Ruby Stella every 3 years to maintain its vigor.